CJM stock analysis and CJM stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos and actually documented everything. And it's taken me 5 years, but from that time period, I've seen what's actually milking me money and what's not. Unironically, like CGM, I know people like to, hype up. Well, sure, you can say whatever you want. This is very subjective, but for me, just like such a bearish market. Not even saying this in a way where it's just to go against your opinion. No, it's just the truth, man. Like, for me at least, it's very, again, disclaimer, it's not financial advice. But when I see the price falling this hard, I guess, nothing is bad, it's potentially selling it a little bit lower, lower lows, but only if there's a full candle close about 115 and onward am I going to look to buy. Other than that, it's just like a bearish market for me. And I don't think that I have previous receipts here. Okay, yeah, I do have one. But if you do want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. And also if you want to stay tuned with CGM.